In this video, I will invite you to review Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel income from YouTube. Let's start. This is data from the Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel based on the Social Blade source. This Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel was created on the December 27, 2011. Until the time this video was created, the Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel had reached 568,000 subscribers, and have uploaded 796 videos. And total 198,274,774 videos has been watched. Let's see how much Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel total income from YouTube. This is views data from Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel. Daily views 59,452 views. Weekly views 416,164 views. And in the last 1 month Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel has been watched by 1,783,535 views. Okay, let's continue calculating Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel income from YouTube. In 1 month the Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel gets $446 up to $7,100. And in the last 1 year Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel earned $5,400 up to $85,600. This data is just an estimate from Social Blade. Of course, only Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel owner knows the real income. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to this channel, so I can continue to share information about your YouTuber earnings.